Well, one of these days I'm going to get a program so I can edit these videos rather than having making lots of little ones. Anyway, I wanted to show this off this autopilot actually doing what it's supposed to do. Those are 10-degree corrections, and there's a 1-degree correction. Don't you love it? So, just like downtown. The other thing that I did today, Tuesday, was took a look at this temperature gauge. I actually took it out of the panel and wrote down what model it is. It's a VDO instrument, and so is the fuel gauge. And sprayed some goop on the wiring, and I got familiar with the wiring and did a measurement on the meter coil itself. And the other thing I found out, let me turn on the power here, is that you can see that when you turn the ignition on, that needle actually jumps. So that thing is doing something. What I wasn't getting was it was running and it was idling for 10 minutes and barely getting up in the green. So I'm not sure whether that means the cooling system is clogged up, or the sender is not wonderful, or it's not the right sender, which is a possibility. So anyway, we're getting, I'll do some research on the internet on that instrument. But it is a VDO. It says 3.73 on it, which I think means March of '73. So it's probably an original instrument. So we can't be too far off. At worst, we might have to buy a new sender if it's not going to work right. But we'll see.